All right, welcome back to another episode of Let's Try Some Whiskey in a Restaurant Setting. Today, our bottle is a Glenrothes 18. It's a good bottle. I have a love and hate relationship with Glenrothes. I think they're capable of the worst bottles in the world, and they're capable also of the best bottles in the world. There's some Maker's Cut there. I think is one of the worst NAS bottle in the world. I'll do a review on it at one point. It's just not for me. I think it's terrible. This Glenrothes is very different. It's a sherry cask bottle. It's an 18 at 43% ABV. It's kind of smooth. I think I paid $70 for this bottle. Let's pour and see what's up with this. There you go. The color is actually quite light. It's not like a sherry bomb caramel color. The nose is very sweet and easy to, yeah, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of caramel in there, nothing too crazy. This whiskey I don't think is designed to be a tongue grabber. I think it's designed to be very smooth. Let's try it. Yeah, a little bit of pepper at the end there. You can taste a little bit of vanilla. I go with maybe some pear. It's not very aggressive whiskey. Like I was saying, it's designed to be smooth. After a meal, maybe after fish or chicken, I don't think it's the best whiskey to go after steak. I don't think it's robust enough like a Lafroy or Hartberg. Actually, after a steak, I'd probably go with a Craigellachie or maybe a Dalmore, more flavor, more sherry, more taste. This is sweet, dry. It doesn't have much legs. It's kind of a little bit of watery on, you know. It's not designed to be a, like I said, it's a good bottle to share with friends after a meal. It's probably not what I would be looking to drink at home watching a movie or watching a hockey game. This is a bottle to be shared with people who are not drinking experts, like whiskey experts. I think it's a great entry-level bottle for 18. It doesn't have as much character as probably a Balvenie or yeah, a Balvenie or, like I said, a Dalmore before, or even a Glengoyne. Glengoyne is going to be super strong. This is non-offensive. I don't want to say inoffensive. It's non-offensive, meaning it will probably cater to any taste buds in the world. If you don't like whiskey, you might even think that this is not whiskey because it's very light on the palate. Yeah. It's very dry. If I'd put it in the same category of a dry white wine. If you know where I'm going with this, dry white wine, right? Great with fish, great with rice, great with a light lunch. Also put this in the category of a lunch whiskey for lunch, because you can have a glass at lunch and then you can get back to work and you won't smell like a garbage truck, like if you drank Lafroy or Ardbeg. Should probably do a review on Ardbeg. There's a huge cult out there. These people swear by it. I think it's fine, but hey. Anyway, yeah, like I said, 43%. You won't get hammered. Your tongue won't be destroyed. I could actually eat a chocolate pie after drinking this because I think it's just light enough. It doesn't destroy your taste buds. I think for $60, it's a great price to add in your restaurant collection because you can actually sell it to your customer for not that much money. And also the customers will enjoy the light taste of this. You know, they won't feel like they got punched in the face by a whiskey. I think it's a great addition to your collection. So anyway, that's that for that. And I'll catch you later for another review. Bye-bye.